Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, we're rising prices throughout bull run of home sale. Next, economic goods news. Next, we come to page number 4 on that a welcome baby step to pay parity in cricket. Then we come to page number 5 on that mismatch in China trade figures rises red flags. Next, reverse bank to roll out first pilot of digital rupee today. Next, stocks extended rallies has worries over possible US recession case. Is next Airtel's quarter 3 net profits soar 86%, but misses estimate has 5G rollout begins. Next, global oil demand will keep rising for a decade, says OPEC. Next, core sector post recovery in September grows 7.9%. Next, Tata Steel net profit declines over 87% in September quarter. Then we comes to the page number 6 on that India will continue to be a lower cost economy for 20 years. Next, core sector recovers in September after slowing for 2 months. Next, India to cut sugar export by 20% till September. The next fiscal deficit hit 37% of budget target. Next, higher oil prices could backfire on producers, say oil minister. The next Walmart India financial year 2022 losses widened to rupees 299 crore. Next Jay Shankar to represent India at SCO meeting today. Next Amazon to delist Appareo from its e-commerce site. Next Equitize small finance banks profit double to rupees 116 crore in quarter 2. Next Mahindra Finance rises rupees 275 crore by selling bonds. Next LIC acquires additional 2% stake in Capri Global. Next we comes to 7 page number 7 on that CCI work may suffer with top level vacancy. Then we comes to page number 8 on that China stocks extended their losses on poor economy data. Next, Europe debt market strains force government to rework trading rules. Next, Maruti's speed bump is entry level demand. Next, Crompton Greaves Fed demands on inflation for faster pace of recovery. Then next, market regulator issues rules on standardization of rating scale. Next, aluminium cause margin shrink on cost. Next, Bikaji Foods sets IPO prices banned at rupees 285,300. Next, debt mutual fund locks rupees 65,372 crore outflows in September on rate cycle advance tax payment. Then we comes to page number 9. In that government note to 42 firms for design lead PLI scheme. Next, 18 net profit surge 86% ARPU at industry say high of rupees 190. Next, Niche streaming services embarrass sensitive uh, subjects. Next, Tata Steel net profit declines 87% in quarter 2. Next, Baiju's Ravindran pens emotional farewell note to sacked employees. Then we come to page number 10 on that stocks rally has worries over possible US recession is. Next, airlines brace for impacts as supply chain issue emerges. Then next, mismatch in China trade data rises red flag. Next, less affluent households spend rupees 2000 on monthly grocery. Next, RBI to roll out first pilot of digital rupee today. The next, Bain Capital to sell for 410 million excess stake. Next, DB Power purchase timeline extended. Then we comes to page number 11 on that Varia Group partners China's Skyworth for Android TV design. Next, Musk runs poll on Twitter to bring back short video app Vine. Next, Spichiti Cap doles out $11.5 billion for fintech startup Payveda. Next, climate focus NIV second fund invest in hygienico green energies. Next, IIFL other vie for stake in Corivary Hospital. Next, India must adopt quantum safe cryptography. The next, Yota looks to challenge global cloud companies. Next, cybercrime dips on Ukraine war. Next, startups slash hiring to cut cost, say report. Next, plant-based meat startups brace for competition from FNCG D2C giant. Then we comes to page number 12 on that VST Tillers tractor quarter to profit falls 29%. Next, food supplies at risk has Russia withdraws from Black Sea deal. Next, PFRDA clarifies on nomination rules. Next, Tilak Nagar invest in Swigar maker. Next, Maharashtra to be an electronic hub. Next, Gujarat bridge collapse toll mounts to 134. Next, tech to enable fast charging soon. Next, L&T beats profit estimates in quarter two. Next, RE new pledges to be net zero firm. Next, market investments via P notes increase. The next SEBI bans Mukul Choksi from capital market for 10 years. Then we come to page number 13 on that inflation hits new record in Europe, slowing economy. Next, Blackstone to buy Immersion's climate biz dollar 14 billion deal. Next, iPhone assembles Foxconn limits plans distribution as shares slide. Next, Twitter plans to rise monthly subscriber price to $19.99. Next, after 20 years, Lula back as president of Brazil. Next, global oil demand will keep rising for a decade, say OPEC. Then we comes to page number 15 on that how young small cap investors are picking multi-bagger stocks. Next, GSEC remain an attractive bid for retail investors. Then next, how is PF withdrawals taxed in US tax filing. Next, returns on my investment. Then next, we come to page number 16. It's an article section in that our self-reliance trust must not defy cost logic. Next, MSME I have shown resilience in the face of steep challenges. Next, call it a recession or slowdown. It's bound to impact us. Then we come to page number 17. It's an article section in that a demand revival would help us get past today's global turmoil. Next, monitor wastewater for COVID levels as testing rate drop off. Next, generative AI models should expect growing resistance. Then we comes to page number 18 on that collagen fountain of youth or a passion fed. It's an article section. Why the elderly must talk about mental health. Next, gym equipment the most useful and the utterly useless. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.